In this video, you will learn how to install the mudguard. First, connect the longer one to the triangle-shaped connector, with the triangle pointing upward. Connect the shorter mudguard to the smaller connector. Tighten the screw with the Allen key. Next, unscrew the screw on the connecting point of the frame. Slide the rear mudguard in as shown. Align the holes, align the rear wheel, and tighten the screw. For the front mudguard, screw off the screw on the connection point located at the back of the front fork. Align the front mudguard. Then put on the screw. Tighten it up. And now you have your mudguard installed.